So the sunglasses page, it should be this one. Yep, it's this one. Another way to see it. It's a very large room. The character can navigate this whole room. The actual frame of the game will still remain 750 times 500, but they'll be able to navigate through the whole width and height. This is accomplished by using views. The character can use arrow keys to move the sprite around and explore all the edges of the room. All edges of the room. How this character moves is making this into an object and adding coding behind it. Characters. There you go. So when it collides into a black object, it'll move the contact into this direction, so I won't go any further. If it doesn't move the contact into this direction, a bug will appear, and it'll remain stuck to these walls because it can't get through, but it can't back out because it's still in contact with it. When the left key is pressed, if this coordinate relative is collision free, so the space to the left of it is free of any solid objects, then it will jump to that position. Also, this will make the sprite character face to the left. If the sprite index, the sprite itself of the object, is not equal to the left facing sprite, then it will change it to the left facing sprite. Here I also made a slight animation on the hair, you could say, of the Snitch character. As seen here, it's moving slightly. This is the sprite spreadsheet that makes it move like this. A lot of images. Similar concept to the right button, in which case if the position on its right around this area is collision free, so empty of solid objects, any black objects seen here, it will do this position. If the sprite index, if the character is not facing to the right, then it will make it face to the right. It'll change it into Snitch2 _R, which is what I named for the sprite that's facing to the right. For the up, if the collision upwards, it's collision free, 0, -7. It'll jump to that position, but only if it is free of solid objects. Down, similar thing, different coordinates. This way, this character can be manipulated by the keyboard, by the arrow keys, move around. Furthermore, there's something called views in GameMaker. You can create a port on screen, so only this much will appear and it won't change the actual size of the frame. This much area will appear around the sprite. It will follow this sprite, this object, so basically the Snitch object. And I'll follow it around the whole page. If this is not placed, then it will not follow the sprite, and the port on screen will remain just in this area. So they will not be able to explore this area, unless the sprite itself moves to this box right there.